It's John Champion and Jim Beglin providing the match commentary from the Santiago Bernabeu.
Hello, John. I'm really looking forward to this one. Let's hope it lives up to all our expectations.
And here we have Manchester United against Paris Saint-Germain. Plays this forward. The ball is with Lavezzi. Pastore. Di Maria. It's opened up nicely for him. What a reprieve that was. Here's a ball in. The ball played out to the wing. Ball in, and the goalkeeper well placed to take the cross. And Juan Mata looking towards the penalty area now. The pass cut out. Here is Cavani. Lavezzi. He's looking to play it into the channel, and he's got quite a shot on him. That was certainly struck well enough. Ball in. Valencia. Good pass through. He decides to shoot. It was a good ball in.
Oh, such a good ball to get him through. Showed real vision and awareness then in trying to pick him out.
Pastore. Here's Ibrahimovic. Tries to slide it past the defence. Valencia. Van Persie. Now Pastore. Looking to carve open the defence. Good effort! Oh, he scored! The first goal goes to Paris Saint-Germain. It was all down to the control.
If you get that first touch right, it just buys you more time for the finish, and that was very efficient.
So we resume at 1-0.
Oh, look, it's lovely having a player with such ability in your side. He's always capable of coming up with something important, and he's done it again.
Pastore. Neatly played. Ibrahimovic concedes a free kick with a ferocious tackle. This is a great chance to increase the lead. And he goes direct. Cleared away from immediate danger. The whistle signals the end of the first half.
Well, the keeper's been absolutely sensational. This game would already be over but for him.
More action and excitement to come in the next 45 minutes. The scoreline at the moment, 1-0. Manchester United against Paris Saint-Germain. Stopped him illegally there. He can have a go from here. It's a ball in. It's an own goal.
Oh, they'll really be kicking themselves after conceding a goal like that.
It was fortuitous to say the least, but it certainly makes things interesting.
Look, often chances are hard to come by in these games, so just one mistake could be all it takes to make the difference.
It's well cleared. Rafael Schweinsteiger. Juan Mata. Di Maria. Now David Luiz. Jallet. And Van Persie, Rooney. It's through. Here's a shot. And a cross. And they've hooked it clear.
But just how wasteful was that?
Valencia.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they'll threaten more from the wider positions.
Great through ball over the top. That's a throw. A cross in. A shot! Oh, yet another goal. They lead by 3, and that may just about be that. That's the instinct of a goal scorer.
Oh, it's a terrible mix-up at the back, but it's great awareness to punish them for it.
We resume again. The score is 3-0. Here's Di Maria. We've reached the last 15 minutes of the game. He sends it in. Schweinsteiger. Rooney on the ball. It's come through to him nicely. Back it goes. Rooney! Quick reactions and a fine save. Van Persie. The keeper was tested there.
Look, we know they're behind and need something, but I just wonder whether they're getting a touch anxious with shooting from that kind of distance.
Nice bout of passing. A corner. A ball in. Ibrahimovic looking for a corner. He knocks it in. And that ball picked up by the keeper. Sissoko. Di Maria. Referee in a good position to give the free kick.
Well, I think it might be a touch too far to have a go at goal, but I've been proven wrong in the past and maybe again.
A ball in. Lavezzi. The referee blows and it's all over. They will have to conclude, I think, that the opposition was simply too strong here. The scoreline says it all.
Well, they were totally dominated throughout that game, and the scoreline